guys, it's David from Bugeye Guys with Laryngitis. Sorry about that, it feels fine, but I hope it doesn't bother you. Nonetheless, today I just want to talk real quick about axle housings because these things are getting to be in short supply and these threads are really critical. A lot of people are putting the wrong nut on the wrong side and damaging. I'll show you. This is the right side and it has right-hand thread conventionally. And on this side, you have the left side, which has reverse threads. But in this case, what someone did was put the nut with correct right side threads on the left side, which is wrong, and destroyed the threads. You should be able to see how those are just munched. And that's a really big problem because the whole axle housing has to get changed, so we've stripped it. We have to take it out now and replace the entire thing. It's a giant piece of material relative to this little threaded area, but it's all about this nut and getting it right, which is a chronic problem we've run into for years now. So it doesn't hurt to have one more video about that. So you've got to have reverse threads on the driver's side, left side in America, and conventional threads on the right side. And if you have the wrong nut, you'll destroy it. So you got to test it and be careful with these threads. Please take good care of them every time you remove your rear brake assembly. And the other thing is, we've been talking a lot about speedy sleeves. This surface is where the seal rides, and this also is a problem area that needs to be well cared for. These are fine. Let's take a look at the other one. Yeah, this one should be fine too. A lot of times they get really badly scored. While we're here, I will just show you one other thing. This is a Heim joint radius arm, and these are really rigid and they never break. The bushings don't fail like the factory one, but they're very stiff. They make for a very hard ride. And what this client has done is he's unfortunately cut away the whole bracket for the original. So we'd like to change it back to the rubber mounted assembly to make the ride quality a little better, but we've got to also replace this whole thing if we're gonna do that. So such is life in the modification world when you modify these cars. We'd prefer if you didn't hack them up for the next guy, which is us. But anyway, we'll get it all going. This is a stretch model, long wheelbase Bugeye that we built the tub years ago for this client. And now we're finishing, he didn't finish the project, so we'll finish it for him here. And that's what we're working on this week here at Bugeye Guys.